In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a cool trick where you can stop Excel from automatically creating hyperlinks. So, usually when you put a website like www.bing.com, for example, Excel or YouTube, for example, Excel will automatically make it into a hyperlink. However, to stop links from automatically becoming hyperlinks, you can go to File, and then all the way down to Options, where from here, you're going to go towards the top and then click on proofing. And you're going to want to click autocorrect options, which just basically changes how Excel corrects and formats things as you type. We're going to click on autocorrect options. And from here, you're going to want to go to auto format as you type. Where in this example, you're going to want to uncheck this box right here that says internet and network packs with hyperlinks. So we're now going to uncheck that, click OK, and then click OK. And now, whenever you do www.google.com, it is just a text. www.bing.com or www.youtube.com, it's not automatically a hyperlink. But we go to File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and we recheck that box. Click OK and click OK. Now all of a sudden, Excel is back to automatically creating hyperlinks. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.